Hi, it's Mark, maakudesuyo. You're listening to my mother giving her restaurant ideas. Bakit walang bibingka sa Starbucks is what she said. We're waiting for the food here in Melissa's Missteak. It's a nice place. This place has been around for 88 years. They totally stole that from an article in the online internets. What else to say? I don't know, but I'm just testing the Rode Video Micro. Rode Video Micro. I ordered some escargot because I saw it. I haven't had it in a while. Now, a pretty interesting thing here is that they have, it's not inside a snail shell, it's actually covered by this mushroom right here. And underneath it is the snail that is already out of the shell. The weight texture is really soft. And it's got that garlicky, standard garlic seasoning for escargot. By the way, if you're wondering why there's one missing, somebody couldn't stop eating it. So, anyways, comes with this garlic toast. Let's eat this. Seems like it's a sourdough bread. It's soft. Now we're gonna try the Joe Canadian burger, which has mushroom, cheddar, and Canadian bacon, and came with soup. Let's try the soup first. It's their homemade soup with the bake. Whoa, it's a really good soup. What? It's got a really strong beef taste. And then like slight fattiness coming from the beef. Oh, she really did say barley. I couldn't understand what she was saying, but she said beef barley, so beef barley soup. Everything is like so soft and like just mushes together in perfect harmony. Okay, now let's taste the burger. It's a really simple burger. It has tomatoes, lettuce, and bacon, and mushroom, and the beef patty itself. Oop. And you will eat it American style. Really good. See the patty, even though it's cooked all the way through, it's not dry, which is impressive. That most likely means that the beef has a slightly higher fat content, so it doesn't dry out. It's only one bite so far, but it's really good. So far really good. What I've had so far here is escargot, the soup, the Joe Canadian burger, and move on to the next one. And now we're at the dessert portion here at Missteak. I saw this one in the menu. It said the brownie conspiracy, and it said don't ask, just try it on the ingredients. So let's just try it. Itadakimaaku, because I forgot it earlier. Whoa, it's whipped cream, and then there's like brownie deep inside. Comes in a mug, perfect for one-man handling. Oh, it's like this warm brownie with some ice cream, vanilla. It's a whipped cream. There's gotta be something underneath. It's just good. The brownie is like not too strong in the chocolate end. It just perfectly blends the chocolate and the ice cream. definitely check this place out when you are in Banff. And see you guys in the next one. Jenny! Wee! Bing.